Hi everyone. Just wanted to introduce you to week 12 and get you through this week to make sure that you do all the things that are expected. So week 12, we are talking about nutrition and oral health. We're going to look at the relationship of food and plaque with dental disease. So really specifically talking about caries production, acid attacks. We'll be looking at the various nutrients and periodontal health and different vitamins, minerals, microminerals. We'll also be looking at different dietary needs of clients that might have ortho or TMD, dentures, and so on. And then we'll look at eating disorders as well and their effect on the oral cavity. There is a PowerPoint, and that's where the majority of your work is this week, as well as reading the chapters. Canada's Food Guide, there is the link here to the new Canada's Food Guide. There's a link here that has some professional resources for you. Our dietary screening form is here, and then there's some videos for you to watch which kind of help explain how important nutrition and your oral health is. So there's this one, and then this one about eating right. There's a link here to plaque and acid attacks, history of decay, which is quite interesting, and there is a quiz this week. So the quiz will be open until Sunday at 11:59, and it will be based upon the videos and the mostly the PowerPoint. This week, assignment 3 is due, which is the oral health education sessions. Some of you are presenting this week, some of you are presenting next week. Be sure to know which one you are presenting with. The list is here for this week. So April 4th, starting at 9:15, you should start looking for your name. 10 to 10:30, 11 to 11:30, and I have them booked by the half hour. We will meet in the clinic where the restorative chairs are, which is near the front of the clinic where reception is. That is where you'll be doing it. You do need to have your full uniform. You will not be doing a full asepsis. You will just be wiping the area down after you are completed. Make sure you bring your resources with you. I do have forms that I will be providing. I'll provide the tobacco assessment form, the progress note, and the rubrics. You need to bring a completed care plan. After that, you're pretty much done the week, so make sure you've done your reading, you've watched this video, you've looked at the PowerPoints, you've looked at the Canada's Food Guide, you've viewed the videos, you've done the quiz, and you've either finalized your assignment or you are and are presenting it Thursday, or you are finalizing it and presenting it next Thursday. If there are any other questions, don't forget with the assignment as well, going back down to it, this will take you to the assignment here. So the cases are here. So April 4th, Jason and Sarah are here. So you can click there to find your case. You've been assigned one of these. And then the EMR forms are here as well, which again, I'm giving you the self-care, and I'm giving you the progress note. You just have to have the care plan. However, you may want to practice and you can use those forms. That's why I posted them. And then here is the peer assessment that you'll be doing with a peer in the assignment. And here is the rubric for this assignment to make sure that you hit all the marks in this assignment. You'll want to review it. I'm just going to open it up for you to take a look at. So the care plan goes through what you have to do there, and then your presentation is worth the majority. You'll get 0, 1, 2, or 3, depending how you do in each criteria, tobacco assessment, and documentation. That's that rubric. And then you can also just take a look at the assignment itself and how it is laid out. So you can read through this, and if you have questions, certainly can ask me what your questions might be. So the procedure here, the rubric, this is just what's in clinic. So this is what you'll see in your comment book next semester. I just included that there for your information. The rubric is separate from this, but that'll go through sort of what you should be doing. And the peer assessment is here, which you will be doing with a peer in the clinic as soon as you, either before you do yours or after you do yours. So you're going through some criteria and giving something you learned and something for improvement, and you're basing it on this information. So that's really the full week. So weekly learning, week 12, and you can get to work. If you have any questions, let me know.